Alright, I guess one of the problems I've had with solid bodies is that apparently there's a bunch of shit hidden. You know, if you go into settings and come into the feature manager, there's a bunch of shit that by default, you know, is not set to show. It's set to automatic, so I guess it'll only turn on if you create something. So I'm going to set a bunch of these to show. Design tables. I don't know. Yeah, you can always set that to automatic, so that's fine. But see, I've been missing all these folders over here, apparently. And here's surface bodies and solid bodies, so I probably couldn't even work with surfaces. Believe it or not. Okay, basically, I've edited this sketch that I created this cube with, and and if you, exit out of it, we effectively have two solid bodies, as you can see here. So, and by the way, if you cut a body in half, it's another way of creating a multi-body part. So, three bodies in this now. So I drew a rectangle on the side of this and just did an extrude cut through it. I basically renamed them all. So, but I don't know what this one is. Because I cut extrude 1, but that's been cut in half. So, but I've renamed all these bodies, and if we go apply like a fillet to one of them, you see that fillet was applied to like I said, these fillets get applied to the the object that I don't know, it's not really clear anyway. Okay, I've opened up a new part, and as you can see, we got our solid bodies and stuff. And this isn't a new part, but this is one we created, but I created a copy of it. I'm going to go and do an extrusion. I'm going to use this plane that I created, which is offset slightly from the base plane. And okay, I'm going to draw us a rectangle, which we're going to extrude. Okay, and that's fine. Exit sketch, but I'm going to extrude it from the mid plane. But I'm going to uncheck merge result so that this doesn't, that is interesting, as watching the sink fill up. Anyway, go ahead and accept that. Okay, god damn it. But then I'm going to go draw a couple of circles on top of it. For construction, I'll put a construction line there. Draw it from about there to there. And we're going to draw a couple of circles here, and I'll put those at like with 1 inch or 1 millimeter or whatever the hell we're at, whatever else scale we're at here. So equal relationship to them, which doesn't seem to have worked. Probably because it's got a dimension stuck to it. There we go. Okay. Now, exit sketch, and extrude these motherfuckers. Again, make sure merge results not on. Let's flip the direction. Okay, that looks good. Now I could use up to surface, I think. Maybe not. Nope. Okay, now basically, you know, these are all separate parts. So we have to have a sketch plane and everything else. Okay, and on those circles, I was supposed to extrude those as surfaces actually. So I guess never used these before. Hold on. Where's the damn sketch? Just select the damn thing. Okay, extrude. Want to go the opposite direction. Okay, and click OK. Alright, so that leaves us, oops. Okay, yeah, good. Those are still separate, you know, while they are surfaces versus solid body. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to look at this intersect command. So I'm going to select this. Let's see. That's weird. Oh, okay. Well, hold on. Select that as a solid body. And we'll select this plane too. So, but we don't want to merge the results, so we make it a solid. So I just press the intersect command and we got these various regions. And these are regions to exclude here. So we got that region, that region, that region, and that region available, which is weird. Oh, okay, yeah, we want to exclude this one and this one because that plane is going to split it in half. Oh, I forgot to fucking include the surfaces here too. Well, hold on, let me just do it again. Okay, intersect. Definitely grab that one, but surface bodies, we want these two, and we want that, and we want this plane. So, and we don't want to merge the result. We do want to consume surfaces though. So again, in bodies, bodies to exclude. And I guess we check these two and these two, because these will be created entities, you know, from that surface, and we definitely don't want that being torn apart. Nor do we want that being torn apart. So, okay. So basically, in solid bodies, you know, we got that one and that one, and I don't know. I guess it kind of excluded our pins, so that probably wasn't the best idea, huh? Anyway, that's kind of why I did it like this. Let's see. Okay, to try to, you know, see what we did here, let's go to new exploded view. Okay, so we can take objects like this and pull them apart. So we've in effect created a mold, you know, but again, we're supposed to keep the pins, you know, and you can do that, but I'd imagine they'd be cut in half by the cutting plane. But you know, so anyway, that's kind of a way you can go about you know, creating molds for parts. So it's kind of cool. I've been wondering what that intersect feature was for. So anyway, I don't know how you get out of this because it won't let me do anything now. Oh, exploded view. Huh. Okay, the trick is you gotta hit collapse. Okay, and that brings it back. But yeah, when this guy was doing it, he was able to keep all of it. I'm not exactly sure how he went about it, but anyway, I'll play around with it. So let me save it first. Alright, I basically managed to you know, just not exclude anything, and it kept everything, but I guarantee a lot of this shit's cut in half. So, but we still got our cast or the part. But yeah, like I said, this is cut in half, this is cut in half, and this is cut in half. But let me go collapse this view. Alright. Alright, so, you know, if we go to the insert features, combine, we can actually combine some of these parts here. Let's see, you gotta be able to select them first. But have to go do it here, I guess. Solid bodies. Let's see. I want to combine that with that. That. Okay. Alright. And then combine that with that, then combine, well, I guess you just gotta do the main body, subtract. Oh. Oops. Okay. Because it won't let me combine two at a time. Okay. Fucking piece of shit. Okay, and then I guess man, every fucking time I click on this, the command changes around. Okay, that's because it was fucked up from before. Son of a bitch, this program's a pain in the fucking ass to use. Fuck. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. You know, it subtracted that original surface from the other one, so I'm gonna have a hard time changing that. Okay. Alright. Holy shit. Fucking playing Where's Waldo with goddamn menus. Okay, more fucking bodies. Okay, that one and that one. That's what we're going to combine. Alright. Now I should be able to go back to exploded view. And it's all back to the way it should be, right as rain.